Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Tonight on the menu, I have some pasta, I have spaghetti over here, and then I have some cannelloni. Excuse me if I am not pronouncing that right. It was my first time having it. Cannelloni. It's stuffed with like cheese. And over here I have just a regular spaghetti with my turkey meat sauce that I usually do, and I have some parmesan on top as well as some pepper flakes. So this is Scott made spaghetti tonight for dinner, and then this was leftover, but I was like, okay, well, if I'm eating pasta, I might as well just like eat all the pasta. So here I am, and yeah, I'm ready to dig in. I'm starving. I just got home from work. Scott made dinner. I was like, this is perfect. It smells really good. And it tastes really good. And I figured I'd just throw it on the board like this so you guys can check it out. And I had both things, so. That's good. I wasn't really, not like feeling like pasta, but like, I don't know what I wanted for dinner, but then Scott was like, oh, I made spaghetti. And I was like, you know what? That's actually perfect. Ginger ale to drink. I haven't been putting pop in the fridge because I feel like when it's in the fridge, it's like super accessible for me. And then I drink like, I don't drink a lot, but like I drink almost like a lot. I don't like to have one every day, but I was starting to have like one every day, so I just keep it away, and then when I want one, I just put some ice in a cup and oh voila. Excuse the if you can hear talking in the background. That's Jacob. He's in his bedroom talking to his friends. There's cheese in it. They're a little bit more firm, I think, because they've been sitting for like a day, but it's really good. This was just like a frozen meal. I'd never had cannelloni before. Oh, I actually was going to put cheese on top of this too, but I forgot. Yeah, I'd never had it before, and I saw it was like a frozen pack, and it was on sale. And I was like, you know what, let's just give it a try. And it was really good. I actually made, when I made that the other night, I made like homemade garlic bread too. I put like garlic powder and minced garlic into like some butter, mixed it around, and then I just used like bread slices. And then a couple pieces, I like put some shredded mozzarella cheese on. Oh, it was actually really good. And I saved money because I didn't go buy some. I don't know if you guys, some of you guys have been here for a little while, and I would always say, I don't really like pasta that much, but you know what? Like over the last couple months, I've been like craving more and more pasta. So I've been eating it more. Then I'm like, yeah, I don't like really crave it. I don't really like it. Now I'm like, I eat a lot of pasta. This could use a little bit more sauce, to be quite honest. I don't think I put enough on, but Scott mixes like the meat in with the sauce, and sometimes I don't want a lot of meat. I just like want saucy noodles, you know? Still delightful though. The Blue Jays lost today. They lost their game. So they're out. That's baseball, by the way, for anyone who doesn't know. We're big Jays fans here. If you're new to my channel, you don't know, you haven't heard me say, but like behind, I'm against this wall, but like the other wall, and some people have seen it. Scott collects Toronto Blue Jays hats. So like the whole wall, like behind the camera, is full. I'll definitely have to show you guys sometime. And yeah, he's quite a fan. Like, this tastes really good, but also sometimes I think that food just tastes better when, like, you don't have to cook it. I feel like someone commented that. But then I was like, you know what? They were right. It does taste better, and maybe it was because I didn't have to cook it. Ooh. Yeah, these are like, they're not dry. They're still really good, but they're definitely like leftover. You know what I mean? I could have put some extra cheese or something on it. Well, now I know for next time. The sauce was really good on these. It's almost like more sweet. This is spicy. This is almost like sweeter sauce. What'd you guys have for dinner tonight? Jeez, I didn't think I put that many chili flakes in, but this is spicy. Why is it so spicy? Excuse me. Jacob was off of school for 2 days this week because he had a runny nose, and they can't go to school if they have a runny nose. He didn't even, like, he wasn't sick, like, having a runny nose. He was, like, allergies, like, super congested, like, his eyes were, like, bugging him. He had a runny nose, like, it was, like, a whole thing. And I was like, okay, we have to get your allergies under control because I need you to go to school. But then when you call, like, the hotline or whatever to, like, put in their attendance, because it's, like, a call, like, automated calling place. Does anybody else's school do that when you have to call in, like, your kid sick? It was, like, asking me if it was, like, because of, like, flu-like symptoms or, like, illness or injury. And I'm like, no. He's not sick. Like, and I'm not saying that he is sick because he's not sick. He has allergies. So I ended up just having to pick, like, parent approved. I was like, yeah, he's just hanging out with me for the day because I was off on Monday. I don't know, once we get into the school year, I think a little bit further, if we end up, because, like, Ontario, the numbers are, like, rising, but also they're, like, I don't even want to talk about it. Testing more, so obviously there's a higher, I don't know. Anyways. He got to go back to school today, thank goodness. It's, like, sucks, like, he just went back to school after being off for so long. He was like, I want to go to school and see my friends, so... These are really good. What is in cannelloni? You know what? I don't even think I read the box. It said cheese. What kind of cheese is it? Can anybody let me know? Or what do you put in yours? Because this could be different. I don't know. Is it all standard? Whatever it is, it's good. My Lanta. Good choice, Scott. Plus, it's like one of the only things he knows how to cook. But you know what? He's getting pretty good at it, so acceptable. Just gonna switch hands here. Well, thanks guys for coming to hang out with me. Always love eating with you guys. Always a pleasure. Well, if you guys liked that I had 2 different kinds of pastas, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to check out my Instagram, it is Munchie.Momma. My TikTok is Lora.Leanne. I do have an ASMR channel. I have a vlog channel. Follow me everywhere and anywhere that you choose. Totally cool. If you just want to follow me here, that's amazing too. Thank you so much. Anyways, I'm going to go and get my pajamas on and go watch Big Brother. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.